What's up, guys? I'm gonna go up to Honda today. The other day they scratched my wheel. Real minor, but they're gonna cover it, so we're gonna go up there and try to get that taken care of today. And before that, I'm gonna go get some barbecue, so I'm gonna take you a little drive. If you could only smell the new car smell, it smells nice. Need to figure out how to turn that off because I'm always putting a bag in the back and I'm not worried about the kid thing. There we go. All right, off to the races. Catch y'all in a little bit. Well, we got some pretty nice weather today. Feels like it's gonna be a hot one, but high of like 85. I'm gonna go to Joe's Barbecue. Haven't been there in quite a while. They're supposed to have some pretty amazing barbecue, and I always think it tastes great, so we're gonna get some barbecue. Got the windows down for now. I actually think my first mod won't be Alcantara. I think I'm gonna go with tint. Luckily, summer's almost over, and I recently got a new sunshade for the car, and it fits pretty dang well, so does a great job. But yeah, car's looking clean. Washed it the other day. Hopefully I will miss the rain today. We might get some sprinkles, but hopefully I will be in the Honda garage by then, so we'll see. Well, traffic isn't too bad today. All right, 1 minute away. Got here a little early, but that's all right. Probably be the first person in line. Well, hopefully I don't have to wait too long at Honda because they don't have the right tool that they need to put the tire on the wheel, so they actually have to send it to this other place in town called KC Trends. At least that's where they went last time, so I would assume they'd go to the same place. All right, let's get parked. All right, we have arrived. Time for some barbecue. All right, food was delicious. Now we are off to Honda of Olathe. Luckily, it's a pretty close drive because the skies are starting to look a little blue, so can't wait to get this undercover. All right, we made it to Honda. I'm loving these lights. It makes it look so clean. And we're gonna get this little wheel replaced here. Let's see, it's a little small scratch. It's nothing too crazy, but this is a pretty awesome dealership. I usually come here and get all my stuff done, so Honda of Olathe. All right, shouldn't be too long of a wait, so. I think they might have a Boost Blue Type R in the dealership. We'll go check out here in a minute. All right. Won't be too long of a wait, I guess. Still looking good. I think I'm gonna put the Type R decal somewhere right here, but I'm gonna wait and see what other people do first so I can get the right location down. but somewhere in here, and this will also be a little hard to put on, I think, because of how it angles, so I want to get it nice and level. And then eventually do a little paint correction. She needs a little one. But I haven't really ever done hard paint per se. I've only done soft paint, so that'll be kind of interesting to try something new. All right, this is the rest of the dealership. They've got a really big open lot. They usually have more cars in here, but you know how the market's been lately. We've got some cool motorcycles up there, old school ones, or bicycle. I don't know what the term is. But, yep, this is it. Pretty cool. And they got a small little Honda up front. It's like a 70s or something like that, I think. Yeah, kind of reminds me of my 1987 Honda Accord. It's super, super small. Yeah, right there, 70 or 60 or something like that. It's pretty nifty. Pretty cool looking. It's so little. Needs a wash. Look at those fingerprints. All right, I got the car back, got a brand new wheel on there, and I am on my way home. I was only there for a few hours, so it wasn't too shabby. It's my day off work, so I really didn't have much else to do, so nice to get this done. Alright, this is what the brand new wheel looks like. It's pretty clean looking compared to a wheel that I cleaned about a week ago. Looking fresh. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.